This is the first time that I'm actually listening to these sermons.
This is my first time attending Ashara Mubaraka.
I have been attending Ashara Mubaraka for more than 10 years now.
I've been attending Ashara Mubaraka since around 25 years.
जो टीचिंग्स है सैयदना साहब यहाँ बैठ के देते हैं वो कितनी आसान और कितनी मोहब्बत की है, कितनी जोड़ की है, कितने नॉलेज की है कि एक अमली ज़िंदगी में रोज़ाना उसको अपने अमल में ला सकते हैं। तो मुझको लगता है कि सबको इसका हासिल करना चाहिए और इस पे अमल करना चाहिए।
We feel blessed because we once in a lifetime opportunity to get the blessing of His Holiness. With the support of this committee, volunteers and our police team, we were able to do justice in maintaining the crowd, traffic and everything.
The khidmat that everyone has done here, being it distributing water bottles on each step, guiding towards the way towards masjid or the mawaid, it's been commendable.
They have designated special auto rickshaws for senior citizens so that their traveling journey becomes comfortable.
Specifically, if I speak about Chennai, the organization of food, the organization of flow management, allocations is very cohesive with each other, which is very good, as it shows us the community at large as to how efficient and how powerful being together as a community brings us together at all times. I'm very fortunate to say that there are many takeaways that we get out of the sermon. Specifically, if I go to this year, His Holiness emphasized on how we have to be always happy, we have to be thankful, we have to treat people the way we want to be treated. And those as such are takeaways that I take back with me and I teach my children, and I also use it in my professional life.
The one takeaway that I'm taking is discipline. So that will be implemented in my day-to-day life.
One special thing which stuck to me is being a mediator in solving problems and solving conflicts between two people. And His Holiness explained that you should try to be a bridge and solve the conflicts.
These spiritual gatherings of Ashara Mubaraka strengthen both my faith as well as deepens my love for science.
Each year, it's a new learning, a new experience, and a spiritual rejuvenation.